Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's learn some breads. There is a special guest on our channel. He is Chef Milind, trainee and soon to be an employee at ITC Windsor. He has come to show us how to make breads. So let's get started. As the title suggests, one dough many recipes, we are going to make soft rolls, pav and stuffed bread with one dough. You'll need flour, yeast, salt, water, sugar, oil or butter and milk. I'm using instant yeast so you don't have to bloom it. Mix all the ingredients together and start making a dough. I'll give all the details below in the description box, so don't worry. You will have to knead the dough for about 15 to 20 minutes for the gluten to develop. Yeah, you'll need a lot of elbow grease over here. Do you know what is gluten? There are two proteins called glutenin and gliadin present in wheat. These two proteins, when moistened and worked, that is when you knead it, in the presence of water, it forms a protein network called as gluten. This gluten is responsible for the volume, texture and appearance of baked goods. It provides structure and enables the dough to retain the gases given off by the leavening agents. And the leavening agent in breads is yeast. And to check if the dough is kneaded well or not, a test called windscreen test is done. This is how it's performed. Now divide the dough into 7 portions of 30 grams each to make pav, 2 portions of 30 grams each to make soft rolls, and use the remaining dough to make stuffed bread. Always use a bench scraper to divide the dough. Don't try to tear, as the gluten network you developed will break. You can also divide the dough according to the mold you are using. Now to make pav, we are using a cake ring which fits in 7 portions. Make round balls with no cracks and seal the bottom and place the balls in the cake ring, leaving some space between each other. Apply some oil to your fingers and gently press the pav dough. The soft rolls use sesame seeds for some crunch and color. Slightly dip the rolls in water and dip in sesame seeds so they stick to the dough. Keep these covered so they don't dry out and let them cook till doubles in size. Now let's make stuffed bread. Roll out the dough to 2 to 4 mm thick. Add any stuffing. We made some basic aloo stuffing. You can check this in the description box below. Spread out the stuffing evenly and follow as shown in the video. You have to pull and then roll. Be careful, you don't want to tear the dough. Make a log and cut the dough as shown and twist it. Place this in a mold. I'm using these tiny rolls also. Cover it and leave it to cook till doubles in size. To check if the dough is proofed well, gently touch the dough and it should slowly spring back. Brush the dough with milk for some color. Bake these at 250 degrees centigrade for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the bread is baked, brush it with some oil for that extra shine. Our stuffed bread took a little longer time, like 5 minutes more. The baking time depends on your oven you are using, so just keep an eye on it and check if the bread has got golden brown color. Demold the bread and cover it so that it doesn't dry out. Slice and eat once it's warm. There's nothing tasty than a freshly baked bread at home. So do try out this weekend. Happy baking! If you like this video, do hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't. And sharing is caring. See you all next Saturday. Thank you for watching.